everybody and welcome back. So I know that I typically only post one video a week, but this week you get two because I have a special little surprise. I received this really awesome bump box in the mail on Friday and today is Sunday, so I went away for the weekend and I am back, and so now we're going to open up and check it out and see what's inside. But first, as always, a little Prego update for you. I am 11 weeks and 1 day, and I have a little bump now. It's a cute little bump, but it's there. And so I'll show that to you guys really quickly, if you don't mind me shaking the camera around a little bit real quick. Oh, like that for you. You can see there's a little something there. Not much, but there's a little bump. It's cute. So there you go, my little bump. And yeah, so symptom-wise, same as last week. However, I got my tea, yay. And yeah, so I got some ginger snap cookies and all that good stuff, and so I'm managing, which is great. I'm really hoping that by 12 weeks it dissipates a lot, and but we'll see. Anyways, let's get into this awesome video and see what's inside this box, shall we? Alright, so here we go. This is the bump box. To help you through your first trimester. Alright, so here we have some Sparkling Mama. It's Fizzler citrus and ginger. It helps to maintain energy. It's caffeine free and dye free. It says here you just dissolve it in any 6 to 8 ounce beverage. And next we have, ooh, natural nausea relief. Look at that. Do you see this? Oh my. I am going to put that on right now. We all know how badly I need this. So it says it is good for morning sickness, travel sickness, chemotherapy, headaches, and migraines, overindulgence, and vertigo. It says where to place your hand. Okay, well you have to put it in certain spots, so I'll put it on after. And here is some little bump pregnancy belly stickers. So as my bump grows, I can use these for my bump. And it's all the way up to 8, 12, 16, blah. There we go. Those are cute, and I will definitely be using those. It smells amazing, by the way. This box smells really tasty. Tasty. Yeah, it smells good. This is Glow 9 Organics, an energized and natural bath bomb with organic lemon, orange, white grapefruit, and essential oils. See? Let's give it a little open and see what's inside. Let's see what it looks like anyways. There you go. The bath bomb. And it's an orange box. That's my favorite color. It says more energy than a cup of coffee. Wouldn't that be nice? Alright. Nope, there is a water bottle. It says feeling fly as a mother. I like that, and I hope you guys can see that okay. That's pretty awesome. What else do we have? Oh, there's something else hiding in here. Ooh, the natural way to ease morning sickness. Organic Preggy Pop Drops. Drug-free, all-natural ingredients. 3 flavors of sour raspberry, sour lemon, and green apple. Look at that. These are amazing. Any of this stuff for morning sickness and nausea, I will gladly eat all of. I'm just going to open it up so you guys can actually see the inside of it here a little bit. I'm struggling. Ah, there we go. There's all the little candies. This is a little hard candy. Can't wait to try those. Well, I guess that is everything in the little box. Got some paper. So I'll set it all up so you guys can see. These are the Prego Pops, the energizing drink, bath bomb, the nausea wristbands, the bump sticker things, and the water bottle. So there you have it. That is a bump box. This is what you get in it. I think it's pretty awesome. I think it's really cool. I have no idea what they cost or anything, but I'd say it's pretty good. It seems like it has a lot of things that will help. with the first little bit, such as nausea, morning sickness. I can't wait to use that bath bomb. And the water bottle is a fantastic idea because I find with this pregnancy, my mouth is dry constantly. And I mean all the time. So I always have to have a bottle of water with me anywhere I go. So that is going to be great. Just keep with me. So I'm just going to move this over here and come talk to you real quick, okay? Anyways, so yeah, that is the end. See if you don't fall back. No, you're good. Yay! Tripod did not fall over. Anyways, so that is the end of this video. I just wanted to share that with you. I hope you guys enjoyed it and liked it. So that way you know what happens to come in a bump box if you get it. Of course, they're all different because it's a monthly subscription. So yeah, I hope you guys like this. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos about surrogacy and whatnot. And like this video if you enjoyed it. I hope you have a great day, morning, evening, whatever time you're watching this. And bye-bye.